See this? This is fish fingers, and this is custard. We're going to have fish custard. Georgia is going to try it first. What? Yep. Okay, there goes the fish finger into the custard. You don't like it? Or do you like it?
I know, just fish and custard.
Really? Does it taste any good?
Oh, I'm not vomiting.
Good point.
I'll try it with more custard. Custard roll.
So look, it is actually in her mouth. Yuck.
It's not that bad, actually.
You hold it while I try some. Oh god. Here we go, Jess.